Laboratory balances are essential for accurate measurements in research, pharmaceuticals, and education. Proper maintenance of analytical, precision, and top-loading balances is crucial. Did you know that proper laboratory balance maintenance can save your lab thousands of dollars over time? Clean your analytical balance after every use to prevent contamination and maintain accurate weighing results. Always place your laboratory balance on a stable, vibration-free surface for maximum accuracy. Regular calibration with certified calibration weights ensures reliable and consistent measurements. Daily inspections help identify small issues before they turn into expensive repairs. Keep your balance away from air drafts, direct sunlight, and temperature changes to improve precision. Use only approved cleaning materials to protect sensitive weighing components and extend equipment life. Never overload the weighing pan, as it can reduce accuracy and shorten the balance's lifespan. Maintaining a regular maintenance schedule minimizes downtime and reduces long-term service costs. Modern laboratory balances with internal calibration and stability filters make weighing faster and more reliable. Proper storage, handling, and preventive maintenance help maximize the return on your laboratory equipment investment. A few minutes of maintenance today can protect your analytical balance and keep your laboratory running efficiently for years. To ensure your balances are reliable and effective, start implementing these maintenance strategies today.